Today I am going to discuss Boolean logic. Boolean logic or Boolean algebra. So what is Boolean logic? So Boolean logic is a branch of algebra where a variable can have value either true or false. True or false means any variable in Boolean logic or Boolean algebra can have value either true or false. So this true can be, sometimes it can be taken as 1 and false can be taken as 0 also. Sometimes we can take it as yes and it can be taken as no. Okay, so these are the possible value of Boolean variable. Only two values are possible, either true or false. And so variables, Boolean variables means what? Boolean variables means a variable which is having either value true or false. That will be Boolean variables. Okay, so any Boolean variables can have value either true or false. Okay, and in this Boolean algebra, only three operations are possible. So these operations are what? These operations are not, then it can be and or. Only three possible operations are there now: not, and or. So all these are this is called logical, or we can say Boolean operators. Boolean operators. So these are the three operators that are called Boolean operators or logical operator. Okay. So what this not operator means, and operator means, and or operator means, let me discuss. Okay. So before that, let me first tell about this truth table. So truth table, what is truth table? Truth table. So truth table means if you are having different variables, and out of those variables you have made an expression. So it will have, the truth table will have the all the possible values result with all different combinations of truth values for different variables. Okay, for example, suppose you are having an expression like this: x plus y. X plus y, suppose you are having x plus y. So here plus means or. Okay, so if you, it is having two variables x and y, so you can write its truth table like this: x plus y. So this is the truth table for this one. And here in this, here you can write like this all the possible combination of input for x and y. So x will have, suppose x is true and y is also true. Then another possible combination is x is true and y is false. Then next possible combination is if x is false and y is true. And then the next one is when both of them are false. Okay, so what is the value for this expression in different situations? So this will be true, this will be true, this will be true, and this will be true, and this will be true, and this will be false. So this is what this represents, a truth table for this expression f equal to x plus y. Okay, so this is called truth table. So now I got the idea of truth table. Now let me explain all these different operators. So first let me take this not operator. So not operator does what? It negates the things, or we can say inverts the thing. So not is also represented as tilde symbol, and it is an unary operator. It is a unary operator. Means what? It takes only one operand. Okay, so when its input is true, then the output will be false. Means its truth table can be written like this. Truth table can be written like this. Suppose x is the variable, binary variable, so not of x can be written like this. So when x is true, then the output will be false. When x is false, then the not x will be true. So this is the truth table for we can say not operator. Okay, so when the variable is having value true, the output will be false. When the variable is having value false, then the output will be true. So simply not operator does what? It negates the value. Okay, let us take let us take this AND operator. Second one is we have to discuss this AND operator. So this AND operator is what? It results into true only if both of its operands are true. Once again, let me tell you, AND operator returns true only if both of its operands are true. Otherwise, in all other situations, it will give us false. Okay, so it is a binary operator. It takes binary operator. Logical operator is there, but it is a binary operator. It needs two operand to work with. Okay, so let us two variables are there, x and another variable is y, and we want to perform x and y, x and y. So this is the truth table for this AND operator. So what we will get here, this AND can also be denoted as dot. So symbol we can use, dot symbol can be used for AND operation. Okay, means in place of this x and y you can write x dot y also, right? So suppose different possible combinations are what? When x and y both of them are true, then the result will be true. Second possible combination is when x is true, y is false. So as I told you that if it results true only if both of its operands are true. Otherwise, in all other situations, it will give you false. So here it will be false. Then next, suppose it is false and it is true. So again it will be false. And next, suppose when both of its operands are false. So in that situation also it will give us false. So this is the truth table for this AND operator. Okay, so AND operator returns true only if both of its operands are true. Otherwise, in other situation it will give you false. Next we have to see OR operator. So OR operator is denoted by this one that we have already discussed here. It gives us true if at least one of its operands are true, and it gives us false if both of its operands are false. Okay, so it is also a binary operator. Here you can see in all these different situations it is giving us true, 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 because here both of its operands are true, here one of them is true, here also one of them is true, but it is giving us false in this situation when all both of its operands are false. So this is how this AND operator, NOT operator and OR operator work. Okay, now let me discuss other things. Two terms, like one term is there that is called tautology, tautology, and another term is called fallacy, fallacy, tautology and fallacy. So what is the meaning of this tautology and fallacy? So tautology means if a Boolean expression returns always true, always true. Tautology means if an expression, which is of course it should be a Boolean expression, it returns always true, then it is tautology. For example, suppose let us write one expression f equal to x plus x bar. This x bar means not of x. Okay, so let us write truth table for this one. Let us write truth table for this one. So we are having x. So what will be the not x? So not x, and then we have the expression that is f, which is equal to x plus x naught. So what are the possible values of x? X is a Boolean variable, so it can have value either true or false. So when x is true, then not of x will be false. When x is false, then not of x will be true. Now we have to write this x plus x naught. So as previously we have seen that this is OR operator, so OR operator returns false if both of its operands are false, otherwise in all other situation it gives us true. So for this OR operator, for this expression, we are having two operand, this x and x naught. So one of them is true, so it will give us true. Here also one of them is true, so here it will give us true. So in this truth table you can see that this expression is always giving us true, always giving us true. So you can say that this x plus x naught is a tautology. Understood? So if an expression returns true always, that it is called tautology. Then next we have to see fallacy. So fallacy is just opposite. It will give always false, always false. So let us take one expression. For example, suppose we are having f equal to x dot x bar, means x dot x naught. So let us write truth table for this one. So if you are having only one variable x and then its negate, and then you are having f equal to x dot x naught, right? So let us write the truth table for this one. Okay, so here x can have value either true or it can be false. So when x is true, this x naught will be false. When x is false, then x naught will be true. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the value of this expression. So x dot x naught means we are performing here AND operation. So as I told you there when I was explaining AND operation. So AND operator returns true if both of its operands are true, otherwise it gives us false. In all other situations it gives us false. So here you see one of them is true but other one is false, so here we will get false. Here also this is false and this is true, so only one of them is true, so here also we will get false. So this expression you can notice, you can see here now, here it is false, here it is false. So this expression is giving always false, doesn't matter what is the value of its variables. For every combination, for every input combination, it is giving us false, so it can be considered as a fallacy. Okay, so I hope up to this point you have got the